how to get my WhatsApp group link. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp application and enter the group. After that, you need to click on the three dots you see at the top right corner, and from there click on group info. As soon as you click on group info, you need to scroll down. Here you see an option called invite via group link. You need to click on this. Here you can see that this link is your group link. From here you can also copy it. If you go here, you can copy it from here as well. And there's also this option here too. You can copy your group link. Besides that, you can share this link with anyone on WhatsApp so they can join your group. Apart from this, you can also share your WhatsApp group link on other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. So that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please like it, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell icon.